Most beginners think the stock market is a fast track to wealth without effort. That's the deadliest lie on the internet. The shocking truth is that entering any global stock exchange requires completely rewiring how you think. When you decide to trade financial instruments, you're not facing cold numbers. You're facing the psychology of human crowds controlling stock prices. In this video, we'll give you the real certified guide from business psychology on how to transform into a professional trader. We'll reveal how the stock market manipulates beginners' emotions, turning hope into fear and greed into panic. You'll learn to build a disciplined, fortified mindset that guarantees profit and success in the stock market. Through practical, well-researched steps, you'll stop being prey and become the predator in the market. The first trap beginners fall into is thinking the market rewards speed. It doesn't. It rewards patience and psychological endurance. Your emotions are the market's favorite weapon. Fear makes you sell low, greed makes you buy high. Both destroy your capital. Professional traders don't predict the market. They manage risk, control emotions, and follow systems without deviation. The crowd panics when prices fall. The professional sees opportunity. Psychology is what separates winners from losers. Rebuilding your mind for trading success starts with accepting one truth. You are your own worst enemy until you master yourself. Trading without analysis is nothing more than random gambling. When you want to buy or sell specific stocks, you turn to technical or fundamental analysis to read the market's direction. From a psychological perspective, analysis represents a critical tool that grants the trader's mind what is known as cognitive assurance. Analysis is the compass that protects your brain from falling into the trap of impulsive decisions. The relationship here is complementary. Analysis gives you the plan, and trading in the stock market is the real test of your ability to execute this plan. Can you execute without being affected by stock price fluctuations rising and falling? Trading without analysis removes cognitive assurance and leaves you vulnerable to emotional chaos. Analysis transforms trading from a gamble into a calculated strategic decision. The mechanical connection is clear. Analysis inputs data, trading outputs action. The psychological connection is deeper. Analysis provides the mental framework that controls fear and greed during execution. Master this connection, and you transform from a gambler into a disciplined trader. Here, we reveal a major surprise. You can be brilliant at analyzing stocks, yet fail miserably at actual trading in the stock market. The difference is fundamental. Analysis is cold, rational work done without financial pressure, while trading is a live, emotional battle fought with real money on the line. In business psychology, analysts suffer from a trap called analysis paralysis. The mind becomes overloaded studying market movements to the degree that prevents pressing the buy button, paralyzed by fear of loss. The professional trader understands that analysis is a probabilistic science, but trading itself is the art of managing these probabilities, the risks, and maintaining your emotional stability when stock prices fluctuate wildly. Many brilliant analysts freeze when real money enters the equation, unable to execute their own perfect strategies. The key difference? Analysts ask what will happen. Traders ask what they will do when it happens. Escaping analysis paralysis requires shifting from seeking perfect certainty to embracing calculated risk with disciplined rules. The successful trader builds emotional resilience, a system that acts even when the mind doubts, protecting against both greed and panic. Remember, superior analysis without execution discipline is just expensive entertainment. Master both, or master neither. The psychological factor is the key to everything. It represents 80% of success in trading. When prices move in the stock market, an ancient emotional system activates in the brain. This system triggers two destructive instincts: greed when prices rise, and fear when stocks fall. To become a professional, you must train your nervous system to disable these instant reactions. Consumer neuroscience reveals how professionals trade with complete emotional coldness. They accept loss as a natural cost of doing business, not as a personal catastrophe. They never allow market fluctuations to destroy their mental peace. Controlling your thoughts is the first step toward emotional mastery in trading. Emotional detachment from stock screens is the secret key to survival. This detachment protects you from financial self-destruction. Mastering your psychology is not optional. It is the difference between success and total financial collapse. This is the ultimate truth professional traders understand. The golden rule of trading is simple, yet most traders never grasp it. Trading is not a sprint to grab quick profits and disappear. It is a marathon that depends entirely on persistence and discipline. In the psychology of success, most beginners fail in the stock market because their brains are not wired to delay emotional gratification. They withdraw after the first few consecutive losses, unable to withstand the emotional pressure. The secret of professional traders is continuous commitment to their strategy and strict capital management, no matter the circumstances. Professionals stick to their plan with iron discipline, even when emotions scream to deviate. Continuous learning and documenting trading mistakes transforms temporary losses in the stock market into knowledge assets. This process builds an extraordinary investment mind, capable of hunting profits with precision. It enables you to identify and capture strong stocks over the long term with confidence and clarity. The marathon mindset separates those who survive from those who disappear in the first mile. Persistence, discipline, and relentless learning are the only weapons that guarantee long-term survival and success in trading. Master the psychology of the marathon, and the market becomes your endless source of wealth. Follow us for more.